Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by collecting components and setting up fast. Grab gillyweed and fluxweed and pour a half vial of water into your silver cauldron. This improves stability and reduces failure. Once done, open the potions menu and select Focus Potion Recipe to load required timers. Make sure to position yourself near a bench or use a portable cauldron so you can control stirring and heat precisely. This first step prevents wasted batches and prepares you for the exact. Now you proceed to the core mixing routine. Add gillyweed first, then fluxweed after a 6 to 8 second pause. This order stabilizes the focus compounds. Stir clockwise 3 times slowly, pause to let the brew settle, then stir counterclockwise 2 times to bind the effects. Maintain medium heat so the brew reaches a pale blue sheen rather than boiling. This visual cue shows correct potency. Once the color appears, reduce heat to let the mixture finish without overcooking. To finish, cool the cauldron for about 12 seconds, then strain the potion into a vial and label it Focus Potion so you don't confuse it later. You should test one dose while rested because the effect lasts longer and grants roughly a 25% boost to focus. Use it before challenging tasks. If the brew fizzes violently or darkens to gray, discard it. That indicates overheating or wrong timing. When that happens, lower your heat. Refollow the timing exactly and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.